What's the password? Can I come in? Nah, that ain't it. Get on out of here, kid. This is for adults only.
Hey, groove guys and gals. Here's Johnny on the spot, and look, we are at the flea market. Oh, and we got tractors already. There's so much stuff here to show you. We're going to be showing you the coolest of cool. So come check this out. It's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. Special edition! Come with me! Spring has sprung and we are heading out to the garage sales, flea markets, and toy shows! Those are where the greatest treasures are found! You never know what you're gonna find! Somebody stop me! Hey, look what we found! Is this crazy? Stopped at a garage sale in a cool, totally amazing little spot back in the woods. We're up in Wisconsin, the coolest place to be. And look at this. I am totally loving that. We're heading off to the flea market, me and a buddy. And here is the seller's feet. Isn't that awesome? But look what they have here. Now we're trying to see if they have cars for us. And we could just borrow and film them and give them right back, but they have some vintage stuff. Look at this cool train here. Only $10, but since it's a secret location, I can't tell you where it is. Well, if you email me and you live in Wisconsin, close to the border, I'll tell you. But they have all sorts of cool stuff. This is Grandpa's house. They're clearing out, and they have amazing stuff like stained glass. Oh, and their base is getting screwed over. Crazy. So we're off to the flea market. Next one. So we got the key here, and look in the trunk. He's got all sorts of stuff, including a scale model of this. It's an exact replica. Is that awesome? I am totally loving. And look at all this other memorabilia. Now this thing's got a 440 in it. You believe it? With a Hearst sticker on the side. Look at that. Is that crazy? Here's old Shaggin' Wagon. Oh, but look. That is sweet. So cool. Here's the interior. Look at this. I am telling you, I am totally loving this. You never know what you're gonna see when Johnny's on the spot. Even the mirrors. Oh, totally rocking it.
Not there, so I didn't say no, because I don't know. I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is. We got about a half hour. Whoa, come on. Bring me back off here. No.
Oh, how about $4?
Oh, making up prices as they go, which is flea markets. Some really cool Tonka stuff in here. See anything you like? Look at these little tractors, $2 a pop. Pretty nice. Let's see what else we can find.
Yeah, okay, hold on.
These bikes are really cool. I don't know what they are, who they're from, but oh, so amazing. Look at that. That is great.
I have one that I have to weld off. That's why I was looking at.
Look at that.
Well, it might be easier to buy one.
Yeah, once they tip over,
$12 a pop, and you got a Goodyear model.
I redid the bearings in hers next door because hers froze up.
Built.
Bearings flew all over.
Oh my!
They're 80s, so I went over.
I'll give you a deal on that.
Looks out the window and that's the first
Where are
thing he
you?
looks at. So I get the bearings that work for a little or nothing. So I
I think
fixed
she
it up
said
for her.
12.
Repainted it all.
That's nice of you.
Good neighbors do.
Yeah.
Appreciate the wheel and deal with me.
Okay.
Are you saying I'm bored, I got nothing to do? If you're bored, have nothing to do, be it summer, spring, fall, or winter. Well, let me tell ya, there's more than just riding your skateboard. Everyone is bored to death. Look at all these people. Another place to go is Johnny Roman's Supper Club, where the excitement is fantastic.
Cars. So 3 for $5, you say, right? All right. I won't be getting no Kenny. Oh, that sounds no. I thought it was Kenny Burns.
You don't work for the IRS, do you?
No, no, no. Please.
He laughed at
Oh shit.
I got a letter from them to me.
Oh man. Oh, is this Gary Ormsby? Yes.
Yeah, there's some cool
Trace
ones.
the home.
Yeah, I like the rails. They used to race them up at Great Lake.
Good size for us. They still do. My son.
Yeah, I can imagine what those cars do now. I've been up there since the 70s.
I did it in grade school. I did a book report on Big Daddy, and I had him sign
I remember Big Daddy.
Shirley Muldowney.
Look at these die casts at this cool booth. Man, I'm telling you, come up here to Wilmont. You can pick these guys up. Very reasonable price. You've got the original Matchbox Premium series here with the boxes. Oh, and some Army men. I know we just showed you a bunch of Army men. Oh, look at all this stuff. So cool.
No, I'd be okay. I was just thinking about that this morning, actually. Time to get rid of it. Keep thinking about it.
Oh.
He's making up a regular offer. I see what the price tag is.
Look what I got here. This is really cool. What do you think, Miss Kay?
I wonder if my buddy Rob wants me to grab this for him.
That's good. That's nice. I like it.
How about you looking for on a Phil call? See if my buddy wants it. He collects old radios and
But I
stuff.
want to buy shit I want.
You guess any drizzle or not?
No, I didn't catch any yet.
I can play those in my,
Because I didn't even bring covers outside.
The last show we did,
Even now it's all
I know. You do the county fairs and the state fairs too?
funny. We're at the show. We don't pay for everything, like it's a lot of money. I'm doing way better here. It's just
$30 right?
over there you pay $300, $400, and you're like, the hell?
I got a friend that's sick, so him and his wife aren't doing it, but they used to do the dispatches thing for Milwaukee, you know?
Get free to pick them up, sir.
Those are wooden carved planes, so cool. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event. Oh, there's races and cars of all eras. Oh, visit the toy car case on YouTube. Become a subscriber so you don't miss out.
And we start doing fairs.
Okay.
It gets crazy. You know, we need more people because a lot of people come here.
Yeah, well, you know what? They can get a deal from you. Go to buy them knives online or go to buy them at a store and see what they cost. You know?
Yeah, no, absolutely. So today I end up doing pretty good. Next today, I'm just worried about this. I'm gonna just start packing up.
No risk.
Guys got frames over there, man. I like one of them with the frames. Oh, look at that. He said he might catch up with the knives.
I'm gonna start doing it.
If they get wet, they have a problem.
I can. Last week I was in a,
Nice.
in a fairground. There was a gun knife, and that still helps. Just through the. So I could. That's why my inventory doesn't look filled. It's really.
Yeah.
Look at this gull wing. Look at this table. I'm telling you, so much fun stuff. Look at that VW bus happening there. Oh, look at this. That is a nice combo. Oh, so many cool things here.
I like these.
Look at this. That is sweet. The Griswold's wagon.
Oh, they got the Griswold.
Oh, I'm digging this. Look at that. So cool.
A little pickup truck back there, man.
Yeah, right?
Oh, it's towing the Griswold wagon. That's cool. Hey, Chris, if you're busy being non-constructive, get my stogie.
And then more back here. Look at this.
Chitty chitty bang bang. Oh, chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang, chitty chitty bang bang.
Who loves racing? This is another Johnny Roman Toy Car Case event. This is Race the Case. If it's in the case, it's gonna race. We don't care what it is, to the finish line.
Do the wild like I was telling him. These acrobatic gestures.
Yeah, he gets on every piece of equipment. He's
Lives
got
in
that.
the haircut, but then he's actually a good acoustic guitar player too.
I never heard him play the guitar.
Yeah, he really. I mean, he was just all around.
He's an interesting guy, man.
That's why Tullo was. They were so critically acclaimed. You know, you have to have acquire a taste for him. In the beginning, I didn't care for him, but then I realized I listened to a lot.
each choice on anything on any case car, anything.
Oh, 35.
Oh, hey babe, look. That's behind it.
I'm picking up. Every album somebody picks up comes with a song. I wonder why I scare away all my customers. I haven't sold a record today. Maybe I should take the hint.
Look what I got here. That is pretty sweet. Lasso. Everyone is crowded and heading towards the Supper Club! Join us!
It just wasn't for me. Oh, check this out, playing cards.
Take care. Nice meeting you, man.
Thanks for your service.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I hope you catch a big one.
Here, honey.
So do I.
Have a crack.
All right, take care, guys.
Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. 1968 Hot Wheels! I'm excited! How about you? Oh! It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot.
Spidey senses tingling. You know, I never read comic books growing up. You know what I liked? Mad Magazine was fun.
That was
I think they still produce it, actually. Yeah, Mad Magazine was hilarious. They had the Jaws ones, they had Superman, they had, what else did they have? Close Encounters, Planet of the Apes, and then this, of course, Spy. 6'4", 240, 60 pounds, 98 mile per hour left-handed pitcher.
wow.
They went to the KC Royals for an arranged tryout. He said,
Be a cool kid on the block. Tell all your friends. So don't let your days be boring and wasted away. Come to the supper club and play.
when you get to that level, you understand the balance of the rod and the lure and the
That's
bait.
all I fish with is Centroid. It's the only rod I'll use.
And I'm switching over from bass to walleye. Bass are just too easy to catch. And walleye's a new challenge. Plus, I love to eat walleye. Bass I don't eat. It's not a great eating fish.
It's not the greatest tasting.
Yeah. People who really enjoy fish don't like it, but
No, I've eaten bass before, but it's not the greatest.
I like taking walleye and making nuggets out of them, a little beer batter, fry them, just eating them like chicken nuggets. Oh, okay.
Right next to it. No, but no.
Gotta get it like this. Find me nothing. Find me nothing. That's a good deal, $10. That's a great deal, $10. Trying to talk to her. She won't listen. Can't give me no money. What do you got down there? Blu-rays? How much are they? Oh, videotaping.
I only had a few left.
Subscribe now! Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be! Because life starts after 3:16! So, groovy guys and gals, that's it. That's a wrap on our flea market, and we found some really cool stuff. Got a Baghdaddy full of stuff here that we'll show on a different video. My buddy, he got a reel and rod. He's a fisherman. So, we will see you on the flip-flop on that orange blacktop next time, all right? Until then, rock on, my babies! Rock on. I know you're a toy car case guy out there. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be.